Hey coders! Today, we have a quick but powerful project for you. We're going to build a sentiment analysis tool in Python. Sentiment analysis is widely used in data science and social media analytics to understand public opinion. Ready to dive in? Let's go! So, what exactly is sentiment analysis? It's a technique that uses machine learning and natural language processing, NLP, to determine if a piece of text is positive, negative, or neutral. In this project, we'll be using Python's TextBlob library, which makes it really easy to analyze text sentiment without deep machine learning knowledge. First, let's install and import the TextBlob library. This library provides a high-level API for text processing and makes sentiment analysis accessible with just a few lines of code. Our first step is to create a TextBlob object for our text, which allows us to analyze it. When we call sentiment on the blob, TextBlob returns a sentiment analysis with two values, polarity and subjectivity. Polarity ranges from -1 to 1, where -1 is very negative, 1 is very positive, and 0 is neutral. Subjectivity ranges from 0 to 1, where values closer to 1 indicate a more subjective opinion, while values closer to 0 are more objective. Let's make this tool even more useful by creating a function called classify sentiment that interprets polarity and classifies the text as positive, negative, or neutral. This gives a clear summary of the sentiment, so users can see at a glance how the text is classified. Now, let's take this to the next level by analyzing multiple reviews in one go. Here, we have a list of sample product reviews. For each review, we'll create a TextBlob object, get the polarity score, classify the sentiment, and print the result. This way, you can analyze hundreds or thousands of comments in just seconds. Finally, we'll wrap everything in a reusable function, analyze reviews, which takes a list of reviews, analyzes each one, and returns the results in an organized format. This makes the code easy to reuse, so you can plug in any set of texts you want to analyze, from customer reviews to social media comments. This can be extended to work with more advanced models, like transformer-based models for more complex sentiment analysis. And there you have it, a basic, reusable sentiment analysis tool in Python. We used the TextBlob library to calculate polarity and subjectivity, created a function to classify sentiment, and built a method to handle multiple reviews in one go. This type of sentiment analysis tool is incredibly useful for businesses to understand customer opinions or for researchers to analyze public sentiment on various topics. Sentiment analysis is widely used in areas like customer feedback analysis, social media monitoring, and brand reputation management. Businesses use it to track product sentiment, while news organizations use it to analyze public opinion on trending topics. Thanks for watching, everyone. Try this sentiment analysis tool with your own data, and let me know in the comments how it went. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more quick coding challenges like this. Until next time, happy coding!